Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw a close-up of Titan X's face from Monarch Legacy of Monsters. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our drawing of Titan X, let's begin right here with the eye. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to kind of come up, and then we're going to bring this down. Next, we'll just kind of bring this one down and then up here to connect. We'll go ahead and make like a circle shape in here. Then I'm going to color in a circle shape for a pupil, leaving a little bit white. And then I'm going to make like a second one right behind it. She's got kind of like those two pupils. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to go up and down. And then we'll make a couple lines underneath the eye. Now, right up here, I'm going to make some little lines. They're just going to kind of go up and down for little points. And then underneath the eye, I'm going to kind of do the same thing, just making these little kind of like skinny pointed shapes right around here. I'm going to kind of bring this line down, and we're going to bring this line over here. We'll add a couple more lines in there. I want to make another little point here, and then a couple more back here for some detail. Now, starting here, I'm going to bring this line down for the front of the nose. I'm going to make this line come in. I'm going to draw a line that's just going to kind of curve up. We're going to go down, and then we're going to go back here. We'll make like a long kind of skinny line up here where the nose would be. Then we're going to make kind of like this bumpy line that's just going to kind of curve up to here. Next, we're going to bring this line kind of down and up, and then back down again, and then up to here. Make a couple little curved lines that come down. Then we're going to bring this line down. I'm going to leave some little kind of like broken spaces in there. Then we're going to bring this line up and then over to here. Back here, let's make a little curved line with some small little lines in there. Then let's go ahead and add some teeth. Now, Titan X has some really pointed, jagged teeth. So we're going to make these kind of go all different sizes. Going all around. Then we'll do another row of some just kind of smaller teeth, different sizes, kind of all over the place. Next, let's go ahead and make some longer teeth to kind of fill in these areas here. We're just going to kind of fill them up, make them nice and long here. And we'll put a few back here as well. Let's kind of do that same thing here. We're just going to kind of make some bigger teeth, and we're going to make them kind of curve back just a bit. She has really sharp, jagged teeth. And we're just going to kind of fill up the mouth with them. Now, some of her different kind of like horns and spikes that she has. Let's start with this big one in the front. Let's make this line kind of curve up. And then we're going to bring this down and in. We'll bring this down to here. And then we're going to bring this up and then to here. Let's put another spike right here. Then we're going to make another one that's going to come up and then down to here. I'm going to kind of continue this line up here. Then we'll go ahead and make another one that's going to come up and it'll be right off of there. I'm also going to make a little bump here so it looks like she's got a second one behind her. Now I'm going to draw a little line that's going to come down. We're going to bring this up and then over to here. Then we're going to make a little bump here, the smaller one here. We're going to make a longer one of these spikes right here. And then we'll make another one kind of behind it. Let's go ahead and add a few more. We're just going to kind of curve them back. And we'll do that same thing. Then I'm going to make a few kind of curved lines right here. I'm going to make another little kind of shape come down here. I want to make a little kind of bumpy row right here, just to kind of show more of the bottom of her jaw. Now I want to come in here and add some of the different details. So I'm going to make a couple little kind of curved lines coming down like this. And I'm going to make some kind of bumpy curved lines coming right around here as well. Going to do that same thing all around here. And we'll just kind of make some of these come around here for the nose. We'll make some extra little lines coming here. And I'm going to bring a few of these lines kind of down here with some curves. I want to make a big line that's going to curve up here and then down. And we'll make this line come over here for some detail. Then we're going to make a couple more little shapes coming off of it. I'm going to add kind of like a row of like spike shapes right here. And then we're just going to make some more of these kind of longer lines coming everywhere. All around here for different details. Make some lines coming down here. Then I'm even going to add a few little small lines on each of these kind of spikes that she has. Just gives it a little bit more of like a 3D texture, just kind of putting an extra little line or two in there. Then we'll add a few more extra lines coming right around here. And there you go. There is your drawing of Titan X's face from the new Monarch series. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.